It's also running on our compound tires, which are need a lot of heat. So
That's why it's slippery.
they're not as good in the wet. Yeah.
No, that's bad. You gotta pass them all?
No, I can't pass it because of yellow.
I'm already kidding. Trying to get them warmed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rain cools the track too, as well as wetting it. So that vibration as the tires nippling sideways, eh?
Yeah.
I've never sensed that before.
They're doing it more now than they usually do. Whoa, we just got a little sideways again.
Nice. You've got a good feel for this car.
Lots of practice.
Well, I'm glad we got some drive. That was a fabulous experience. This fast though.
Oh, it's slippery there.
Yeah.